let's proceed to designing of our foundations. So finally, we will proceed to our designing. Hello everyone, welcome to RH channel 2.0. We will going to continue our Staad foundation tutorial. So without further ado, let's begin. Click here, design. A pop-up. Say, do you want to analyze or design? Yes. So now our design engine is running. It will take a little while. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share the love. We will also make another video for offsetted columns, other design. So don't forget to check our channel so you can find our new videos for tutorial. So here, this is our calculation sheet. It's already designed. So you can see our design is in SI units. In here we are in inches. Our output, change our output into SI. Just go to this icon. This is setup input output unit. Click. So length is in meter, Newton meter, kilonewton meter, reinforcing bar unit mm, spacing unit mm, kilonewton meter, then okay. So there, our result has changed. You see column 1 and 7 not found. You have foundation 8. You have 2 meters by 2 meters, thickness of 125. You have number 24 rebars, number 4 rebars, that is 229 mm, so almost 250. You can have 200 spacing in here. This one not found. Column 33, 34, 35 not found. So you have a lot of items that are not found. This problem happens when your cross section of your foundation is very small, so you have to enlarge it, or your rebars is need to be larger. So we will check for this one. So let's go to plotting geometry. So instead of maximum length and maximum width, change it to 5. Let's see what happened. 5 meters. Or let's just have 6, because if we were going to fail, we will do it again. So let's go to the safe side, 6 meters. Let's go to report, then have it designed. Proceed to analysis. So Check also our Excel is curve. We have videos. We have also a basic AutoCAD tutorial. And in the future, we will make other videos like SketchUp, Microsoft Project, and many other engineering application. So we will wait while our foundation analysis is running. So finally, it's done. So here, 1 and 7, you see that it's already designed. 4.6, so there are already spacing, so there is rebars. Maybe this one, we will adjust our bars. Our bars is 3 and 4, we have 5 max. Adjust our maximum size. Let's have 10. Maybe that is around 25. Design. Yes. So 33, 34, 35, 58, 59 and 60 not found. You can check this one in your geometry. Let's click geometry, GE drawing. So here, these are the item has a problem. We're going to remedy the problem of this. Also look for in the design progress report so you can see where is the problem. It is usually in red text if there is a problem on the analysis. So here you would see that it failed in punching. Shear check. This is node 76. So when it's say punching, it is a failure wherein your column will punch through to your foundation. So the possible solution is you have to take in your foundation. So let's go to plotting geometry. Here, look for maximum thickness. Here, maximum thickness, let's have